G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, number 1 Drummond Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. We are strolling distance to the Hervey Bay Boat Club and Marina. There's a fair bit to see, so let's go take a look around. This great home is positioned on a spacious 612 square metre corner allotment in the established area of the highly sought after Bayside location of Urangan. You are only minutes away from key amenities which include the marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Esplanade Beach and the iconic Urangan Pier. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. This home will also be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or the first home buyers looking to purchase into an established area with strong growth potential and room to add further value. Beyond the entrance, the open plan living, dining and kitchen area forms the heart of this home. The functional kitchen features plenty of bench and storage space with appliances including an electric stove with range hood. Entertaining options abound with a huge fully enclosed games or rumpus room which seamlessly connects to that main dining area, so you'll be able to entertain with friends and family all year round no matter what the weather. There are 3 bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, with the main bedroom also including a ceiling fan. The bathroom includes a shower and vanity, and there is also a separate toilet. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the spacious garage which does offer direct internal access into the home. There is also a single carport to the side which will be ideal for those with a second vehicle, small boat or camper trailer, and you've also got plenty of space to accommodate large caravans and boats. The owners have committed to selling this great home and are looking for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.